What's up everyone, I'm Nathan and I'm currently in the Muslim market here in Shanghai, and as you can see and hear, there's a lot going on. The main reason you'd come here is just to discover a bit more about the Uyghur community, but also their food, which is amazing. You definitely have to come here on an empty stomach because there are so many things you'll want to try. All different kinds of meat, herbs, spices, rice, vegetable, fruits, breads, all prepared in ways that, I've never seen before, because this is a completely different community. It's the Chinese Islamic community here, the Uyghur community. So I'm gonna grab something to eat and show you around the Muslim market. Right, so I got me some food, and this is lamb with some rice and vegetables, and I'm assuming that's carrots. It smells delicious, and I got it from the stall over there. Oh, and if you were wondering, my table is the back of this pickup scooter. This is so good. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our blog post on somesunshine.com, where you can find a ton more information about the Muslim market. See ya!